In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an IP address in Cloudflare. Whether you're updating your server's IP due to a migration, a configuration change, or for security reasons, this process is straightforward once you know where to go. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to make these changes confidently and ensure your domain stays up and running smoothly. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to change your IP address in Cloudflare. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Head over to Cloudflare's website and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where you can see an overview of all the domains you've added to your Cloudflare account. If you're managing multiple domains, don't worry, we'll select the one you need in the next step. Now, locate the domain for which you'd like to change the IP address. Simply scroll through your list of domains and click on the one you want to modify. This will take you to the specific settings page for that domain, where you can manage its configuration. Once you're on the domain settings page, look for the DNS option. This is the section where all the DNS records for your domain are stored. It's usually labeled DNS in the menu, so go ahead and click on that. This will open up the DNS management panel, which is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to locate the specific DNS record you want to update. If you're working with an IPv4 address, you'll be looking for an A record. If you're updating an IPv6 address, you'll need to find the AAA record. These records correspond to the server IP associated with your domain. Take your time and carefully identify the correct record. Once you've found the right record, you'll see an edit option next to it. Click on this option to start making changes. This will open up a form where you can modify the details of the record. Now, it's time to remove the old IP address. In the field labeled Content, you'll see the current IP address that's associated with the record. Simply delete this old IP address. Be cautious here to ensure you don't accidentally change any other fields that you don't intend to modify. After you've cleared out the old IP, it's time to enter the new IP address. Type the updated IP address for your server into the same content field. Make sure to input it exactly as provided to avoid any errors. This step is crucial because even a small typo can result in connectivity issues. Once the new IP address is entered, take a moment to double-check your work. Carefully review the IP address you've just typed in to ensure it's accurate. This quick verification can save you a lot of troubleshooting later on. When you're confident that the new IP address is correct, click the Save or Update button to finalize your changes. This step will officially update the DNS record with the new information. Finally, it's important to remember that DNS changes don't take effect instantly. Allow some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. While updates are usually reflected within minutes, it can take up to 24 hours for the changes to be fully distributed globally. During this time, it's normal to see varying results as DNS servers around the world update their records. And there you have it. Changing the IP address in Cloudflare is as simple as following these steps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.